Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Now begin tapping softly on the side of your hand. Allow yourself to fully arrive in this moment. This is a safe space to release emotional heaviness and reconnect with compassion for yourself. Side of hand point. Repeat after me. Even though I've been carrying guilt and self-blame, I choose to accept myself with compassion. Even though part of me keeps replaying mistakes or regrets, I allow myself to soften and breathe. Even though I wish I had done some things differently, I am open to forgiving myself and creating more peace within myself. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Eyebrow point. I've been carrying guilt for a long time. Side of eye point. Replaying things I said, did, or failed to do. Under eye point. Sometimes I judge myself very harshly. Under nose point. Sometimes I feel responsible for everything that went wrong. Chin point. And honestly, that emotional weight has been exhausting. Collarbone point. My nervous system has been holding on to shame and regret. Underarm point. So much self-blame, so much emotional heaviness. Top of head point. And today, I allow myself to begin releasing some of that pain. Take another slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Eyebrow point. I release the pressure to be perfect. Side of eye point. I release the belief that I must punish myself forever. Under eye point. I did the best I could with the awareness I had at that time. Under nose point. I am allowed to grow and learn from my experiences. Chin point. Making mistakes does not make me unworthy. Collarbone point. I deserve compassion too. Underarm point. I allow myself to stop carrying constant self-judgment. Top of head point. And I allow myself to move toward emotional healing gently. Take a slow, deep breath in and slowly exhale. Eyebrow point. I release guilt little by little. Side of eye point. I release shame little by little. Under eye point. I choose growth instead of self-punishment. Under nose point. I choose healing instead of emotional suffering. Chin point. I allow my heart to soften toward myself. Collarbone point. I deserve peace without constantly reliving the past. Underarm point. I am learning to forgive myself more deeply. Top of head point. And I choose to move forward with more compassion and self-respect. Take one final slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Notice your breathing slowing down. Notice your shoulders softening. You do not need to carry guilt forever to prove that you care. You are allowed to heal, grow, and move forward. And today, you took one small step towards self-forgiveness and emotional freedom.